What is going on, you guys? So basically, I don't know if you guys can like see the time like right now, because it's impossible to see what time this is recorded, but who cares? So basically, like the reason why I'm so late, school was dismissed at 3:30. I have to wait all the way until I don't know what time it is right now. So what time is it? Oh, it's 4 o'clock already. So now the reason why I'm so late to just film this is because the teacher is like, I cannot say like vulgar, right? So the teacher is so dumb. She's like the dumbest person in the entire world. So since it's going on YouTube, I want like every teacher is watching this, just don't be like this teacher. Any teacher or student who's watching this, I need you guys to fight for whatever you want, okay? You have to fight for it. Now, I didn't mean physically fight. I mean by verbally fight for what you want, okay? There's also a guy here, Harold. He's also supposed to meet but
Yeah,
she's just dumb. So basically what happened was that what? What? Oh yeah. So this teacher of mine, like as you can see, this guy just said don't say the name. So what happened was that I was sitting down on the chair. As you guys know, there is this COVID-19 problem. So she didn't want to say this in front of the class, even though like he wasn't inside my class. Harold knows what's going on. He knows what's going on. So basically what happened was that the teacher said that if you like, as you guys know, in Singapore the tables are separated different sides. Bro, they're still there.
There's like new people. Oh, hi. Say hi.
So basically what happened was that, as you guys know, in Singapore the tables are like positioned in 1 meter distancing. So what happened was that I turned around because I'm like the last person in the whole entire classroom. I'm like register number 40 and it's arranged by register number. So
and he was in front of the teacher's table. Then after that he couldn't even see the visualizer, so he just turned his body. Then the teacher tell him to change his seat.
For like change his seat, it doesn't mean like someone else's seat. It means literally discriminating like you for the whole entire class. Like discriminate, like
yeah.
You are the only person in the class that I don't get. So that's what she actually means, but she doesn't want to say it right now. She's gonna call my parents, and I know my parents are gonna say the same thing. So what happened was that she asked me to change my seat, like all the way to the side, where like all the other register numbers are like sitting there. Then after that, like she wants me to change, and then like according to my problem right now, the problem is that this dude's here like wants me to sit there, like no one else has to sit there. Yeah, Ninja Jivan was the next person in this whole candidate. So
and he had to walk like across to
he had to walk. I just had to turn around like this. He has to walk all the way there. And then now he's saying that the problem right now was that I am turning here. So my, like as you guys know, we are wearing masks right now. So when we turn, then our droplets are spitting to the guy over there, like Farrell. If you guys have watched like the previous videos on this channel, you guys would know who's Farrell. So yeah, he now spit at Farrell, who is sitting right beside me. So yeah, turning around is like spitting the saliva at him. For some reason, the reason why masks are here is so they can contain the spits, right? Now this, it's a girl by the way, says that, oh my god, I legit just feel like screaming at the camera right now. Swear to god. So the teacher says that turning around right now.
What does the dog say?
I'm gonna continue this after this guy said the cat goes woof. I don't know why.
Woof, 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 woof.
And then the dog goes meow. I don't know why.
Meow, 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 meow.
And then the fish goes chirp.
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
So now, yeah, back to this whole. What does the human say? Wow. So basically, that the teacher says that me turning around is worse than Ninja Jivan walking all the way there to someone else's seat while saying, "Guys, I cannot see. I cannot see." And while I just turn around and I don't even talk. This guy screams like, "Guys, I cannot see, you know. I cannot see. I cannot see. I cannot see." Alright. Then after that, now he thinks that's our problem. Alright, so yeah, fast forward to here. Then what happened was that he just keeps saying, "I can't see, I can't see." So obviously the droplet's not going to just one person. It's going to the whole area that's sitting in front of the screen. Like inclusive of this guy and some other people. It goes to everyone who's sitting around there. So now she's implying that me spitting, which is I'm not even talking when he's doing. So me spitting at him is very, 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 very worse than mine, than Ninja Jivan's walking all over the world just to see the screen. So guys, I was talking about Ninja Jivan and here he is. This guy walks all the way to the table just to see the screen. And then what happens is he says, "I can't see," every single time he's standing there. Now she is saying that me just looking at this another person. So yeah, I'm gonna continue now. Like we fast forwarded again. This is the place Braden filmed the monkey thing with the coffin dance thing.
No, not here.
Like somewhere here or some stuff lah. So yeah, then after that, what happened was that
That game,
the teacher, I fight back to say that I'm not going to do right now that is gonna make the teacher go mad. So I try to keep my calm until the teacher says the dumbest thing in the entire world. The dumbest thing in the entire world, dude. Like, you heard what she said, right?
Yeah, she literally said, "Raj, don't turn around. You must just go and sit there so you can see the screen better."
Now she's using the seeing the screen problem. Just now was the you spitting saliva to Farrell is the problem. Now the problem is seeing the screen. So she's just trying her best to make me move there. Then she says this: "I'm going to call the next teacher who's beside, who's like something like the one of the
Mr. Lim.
Yeah, very fierce teacher.
A reasonable but fierce teacher.
Yeah, but then after that, she says that she's gonna call. Then I was like, definitely Mr. Lim's like human, right? He's not gonna be like a go and say, "Oh yeah, I can go with this guy." She says you gotta whatever she's saying. Then after that, so I did that, and now this is what happened. She asked me to chill out, and then after school she's gonna talk to me. Now she says, "I'm very hurt by your actions." When? She actually cried. She actually cried. I can see her eyes tearing up. She's like, yeah. She's actually like, "Oh, I'm very hurt by your actions." When? Now being the normal ass guy right here, I was like, "Chill. Are you like everything's?" Yeah, exactly right. It's like,
It's not even a break.
exactly. And then she's crying.
And your ex-girlfriend only cries when she broke up with you.
I know, right? So dumb people. Oh yeah, by the way, broke up. So yeah, Alright, so I'm gonna continue. Then after that, she cried, and then she's like, "Okay, go home, write a reflection. I'm gonna call your parents. Blah 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 blah. Yada yada yada." And then after that, she says, "Okay, you can take your leave now." Then I vlogged this video. Hi. What is that? What's the title now? Buying a green tea? Stop recording, don't post this shit.
Okay.